take this, put it in SolidWorks. So we've got a 3D one we can just kind of manipulate, make the different changes we need to make it the larger size that this one is, but match the same design.
Cool.
Just update it basically.
Awesome. What exactly is it though?
It's a shutoff valve basically. So there's a paddle on the inside here that flaps up and down. The problem with this one is the shaft is so worn that it's not sitting on the bearings anymore. You can kind of see the damage that's on there. So that's worn out and it no longer seats how it should. If it's possible to replace just the shaft, we could do that, but it's more work to try and cut this thing in half, replace what needs to be, than it is just start from scratch on it. So
Yeah.
the customer said go ahead and do that.
Nice. Cool.
But yeah, so either air or material is flowing through this, and that flap is just a shut-off valve they've got somewhere in their mind to stop the air that's moving. So we can make that transparent, showing the valve actuating inside. Show. That's how it's supposed to work inside of there.